Hello friends, my name is Anil and you are watching Anil Lakra Classes. Today we have to learn some sentences which are used in our day-to-day life, or we can say in our daily life. And I feel that everyone should know this type of sentences to get fluency in this language. So, any further delay, let's begin the class. Our first sentence is, please get up, it's 7 o'clock. Don't disturb me, please. Aren't you to go to office? Aren't you to go to school? Today is holiday. What's today? Today is 15th August, a national holiday. Clean your room. Keep the room clean. The maid servant is on leave today. I am just getting ready. You are getting late. She is a good-natured lady. You are taking too long. You should keep your words. He is very rude. What are the new dishes today? Put wet clothes in the sunlight. The milk has turned sour. She is stitching clothes. Please make the bed in the veranda. I am waiting for you. I can't wait anymore. You have delayed a lot. You took a long time. I want to rest. Who is knocking the door? Who is at the gate? Somebody is calling you. I am very tired. Close the door. Bolt the door. You are looking tired. You are dozing. My father gets up early. My mother cooks our meal. I go to bed at 9 p.m. Your nose is running. This fellow wants to meet you. Please bring a glass of water. Please prepare a cup of tea. Please have a cup of tea. Please have some biscuits also. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My father is a shopkeeper. I woke up late today. I want to rest for a while. My mother is a religious lady. Open the window. We are going to market. They are going to school. He is coming here. You are going there. That's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson, then please subscribe the channel and see you in next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.